Yeah, these are like very good aims and goals in what you're doing, and we talked about last time that we talked, and it's like using your capabilities in order to do something better in the world, and I feel that COVID has revealed so many powers and capabilities of people to unite and do something together in order to make our world better, because we're all on it together on this pandemic. and
Absolutely.
and I think that one of the things that is very important for you too is co-creation, is creating something together, people all over the world doing that together, and I think it's very important. And another thing that we discussed is diversity, and I always love when somebody's talking about diversity, especially when they are not women. So tell me, how do you see the importance of diversity in changing and co-creating a different future for us?
So let's talk specifically about AI machine learning. In general, of course, is very important that we all know. But in AI and machine learning, it's even more important because the data that we deal with has biases, for example. And it's very difficult for, let's say, a group of certain users or developers to see the bias unless they actually you are talking about the other side of the story. I can give an example about Amazon built a recruitment tool, AI tool, which was biased against women because in general recruitment, especially in tech world, is biased. But the
Right.
engineers who developed it didn't see that bias because they were all male engineers. So unless, if I'm pretty sure if there was a woman in part of the team of building the solution, she would have immediately pointed out that look, the data is already biased. So we have to somehow build a solution that debiasing that bias. That is, it is
Yeah.
very important when we're building these solutions that we have a much more diverse group of people, especially in AI, because otherwise we'll end up building unethical solutions which will be biased. And we know that the bias is because the world is biased. It's not the machines are biased. It's not
Yeah,
the
of
data.
course.
It's just people
It's
are
like
biased.
the
So
algorithm for image recognition, that they took the pictures from the web, and most of the pictures from the web are white males, and
exactly.
then it's the same
So I
thing.
think that's very important.